SKEYEwatch.
Hey guys, it's Tommy with skEYEwatch. Today I wanted to share a couple reasons why our fleet camera system is so important in the ready mix industry. One reason, driver protection and safety. Knowing that there's always an eye around the truck, 360 degrees with front, side, and rear cameras, you won't miss anything. Also, there are some really nice insurance discounts that come along with having SkyView ride and shotgun in your ready mix mixer. The ability to be able to review, playback, and download any evidence on-site or off-site is another major benefit. It can be done very fast, very efficiently to whoever, whenever, wherever. Having the CP4 monitor installed in the dash of the vehicle also gives the driver another major benefit of reducing blind spots inside the cab, giving him the ability to see 360 degrees around the truck. Another major benefit of having SkyView in your cab is eliminating some of the disagreements with property damage or any fraudulent claims that may be put against your company or drivers. Really overall helps protect everybody involved. So remember, if you don't have SkyView in your ready mix truck, you can't see